And that no wiper life. I got Rainix though. They'll slide off once I hit a certain amount of miles per hour, which is still kind of dangerous. I'm back. I'm getting bored, so I'm just gonna finally put the front lip on the cord. Gotta wash it off a little, but I just need to get the hardware, which I don't have, but I'm gonna get it off my other car, the DA. So we got this 10mm, which should be all we need. If not, we need this screwdriver. Let's go. Well, I'm gonna get rid of the car soon, so I'm gonna probably pull the B20 out and just junk it. Maybe pull the mud guards off, side marker, whatever I can salvage. I should probably sell these, but nah, they're useless. So yeah, basically these run the same thing, same hardware. See the Integra DA lip, and right here we have the Accord 90 to 91 OEM front lip. Here we have all the OEM hardware, so we just gotta slip it onto the under the bumper and put the screws on. So try to leave it straight like this, or else you have a hard time putting the screws in. So this one's kind of open. So what I did was stick it in to the top like that. No, this one doesn't. Some slots are skinnier than others. I should pull the bumper off, but I don't really got time to do that. So once you get that in, use the screwdriver to guide it to where you want it. Okay. So that way it goes in. Wash it with the car. did eventually want to get a bigger lip. It has OEM screws in here. Gotta take it out.
Woo! Y'all ain't know why, right?
Love that on that beat.
Let's go. No masterpiece. Hey. 10 bad bitches and they after me. One bad.
And so I wiped the lip with this. Came out clean. It's almost done. How it looks after. And please excuse the background music because my neighbor though was doing that shit. I need some wheels, I know, but looks a little better. Just gotta paint them upper molding black because it's OEM like that. So yeah, here you go, front lip. I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit.